Here we're displaying this movie Batman is kind of like the default query that we're doing when we first come to the to this page. In your prototype, maybe you might want to, or in your project, you might want to maybe depending on who's logged in, they might have a preference of things that they might have saved in previous queries. You might want to do that. Or based on who the last person that registered and the last search that they did, you can use that as your default. Right? Here I'm using a hard-coded a search. Also, just an improvement on this, notice that in our container, we are kind of using this query twice. See that? This fetch here and this fetch here, we're using it twice, right? So that's a bad practice. So let's encapsulate that. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to declare a function here, so I'll call it find movie by title. That takes in the title, right? And what it's going to do is it's going to do the fetch. Right? It's going to do the fetch, and it's going to set it's going to set using the title as an argument, right? So this title over here will be our parameter for our query. And then what I could do, right, is just reuse this find movie by title and paste it in each one of these, right? So it's reusable, it's nicer, it's a better use here. This will be this dot find movie by title, and here what we can do is that in our component mount, we could just pass in a hard-coded title of our favorite movie. So Batman. There we go. All right, so it behaves exactly the same way, right? So we have here Star Trek, search. There we go. We have the movies for Star Trek. Everybody good? All right, awesome.